Hi, this is me, Premika p.373, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do question number 66 on page 373. So let's begin. First, let's look at the question. The question asks us to verify each statement, so from A to H. And so let's first look at this graph. This graph contains 3 lines. First is the normal line, which passes and cuts through the curve. See over here. And what the normal line does is that it also is perpendicular to the curve. Now, let's consider the second line. The second line, we call it the tangent line. The tangent line only touches the curve but does not go through the curve. And last but not least, the curve itself over here. Now, let's go to our first question A. But before we could answer this question A about the x-intercept of the tangent line, we need to know that the slope on the tangent line is f dip at x equal to is at f dip at x0, right? At the point x0 and y0. Consequently, the equation of the tangent line is y equal to f dip at x equal to 0, x plus c, and which result in this following equation over here. And because of this, the intersection x at y equal to 0 is this following. And this is the reason why this is true. Now, let's consider question B. The y-intercept of the tangent line is. We need to look at the y-axis at x equal to 0. And that's how I come up with this equation, right? That's how this equation is true. Y equal to y0 minus x0 times f dip x0. Because we learned that the slope is y equal to, the equation is equal to y equal mx plus c, right? And m is the slope of the curve or of the line. And yeah, we're done with question B. So now let's look at question C. The x-intercept of the normal line is. So when we look at the normal line, we need to know that the slope of it is minus x equals f dip at x0 times m dip, right? And you just simply solve this equation by by simplifying it, and then you get this format of equation, right? And we also know that the normal line passed through this point, right? This point, x0 and y0. And that's how we use this point and plug it in this equation, and we solve it all the way to get that the x-axis at y equal to 0 of the normal line. And that's how we put this to equal to 0 and come up with this. And that's proof that this equation is also correct. And now let's look at D. For D, right, it's asked about the y-intercept of the normal line. So as I said before, y at x equal to 0, we can really relate these two together and come up with this equation. See how this one is similar to this one over here? Yep. And for the rest, E, F, G, and H, it is really too advanced for me to solve it as of now. So I suggest you to go ask Mr. Junshin to help you with that. And I am really sorry about any inconvenience that I might cause. Thank you.